Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making Mexican street tacos. For our ingredients, we have soy sauce, squeezed lime juice, canola oil, garlic mince, chili powder, ground cumin, dry oregano, 1.5 pounds of skirt steak, mini flour tortillas, diced red onion, and we have chopped cilantro and some lime wedges. Here I'm going to cut up my skirt steak in about 1/2 inch pieces, and then I'm going to cut them in little tiny pieces. I didn't want my pieces to be too big because of the flour tortillas are really small. You could cut them in 1/2 inches if you like, but I cut mine into smaller pieces. Now here I'm just showing you my skirt steak and how I cut them up and how small my pieces are. Okay, so on a medium bowl, I added my skirt steak, my cumin, my chili powder, lime juice, soy sauce, oregano. That is a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, canola oil, and our diced garlic. Now we're going to mix this up. I'm going to cover my bowl up and I'm going to set it in the refrigerator, and I'm going to marinate it up to about 4 hours. Then I'm showing you how small my meat is. This is how I prefer it, but you could do it however you would like. Before I take my meat out, what I'm going to do, I am going to heat up my tortillas, and you want to put them in a tortilla basket, or you could put them in a Ziploc bag and put a kitchen towel over them to keep them warm, and that's how I kept my tortillas warm. So here we're going to start cooking our marinated steak. You want to heat up about a tablespoon of canola oil in a large skillet over medium heat, and you want to add your steak and your marinara. And you want to cook and stir often until your steak has browned. So you want to cook your steak until it is brown and your marinade has reduced for about 5 to 6 minutes, or until your desired doneness. So here I'm taking my steak out of my pan, and I'm going to set it to the side so I can start putting my street tacos together. So here we have everything together. We have our cooked skirt steak, our cilantro, our lime, and our onion. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to line my tortillas up on my plate, and then I'm just going to start adding my meat to my tortillas. Once I finish putting my meat into my tortillas, I want to top it with the diced red onions. Now I'm going to top it with my cilantro. And just as easy as that, we have made Mexican street tacos. This was delicious. It was a bit spicy, but they were delicious. Delicious street tacos. If you're looking for a recipe, this is a very easy recipe. Very simple, just marinating your meat. But try it out. Let me know if you tried it out. Comment down below. And today we have made Mexican street tacos. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eat. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.